In this work, we defined the problem of person in context synthesis and proposed compositional structural space to solve it effectively. Two lines of works are closely related to our problem. The first one is layout to image synthesis, which generates an image given a set of bounding boxes and corresponding class labels, as is shown on the left figure. Though it can model a limited number of objects with simple backgrounds, it fails to model person instances faithfully. To synthesize visually appealing persons, we consider the second line of work called Keypoint to image synthesis. A person is synthesized with the keypoint as guidance, but this work does not model contexts or backgrounds, and only deal with one person per image. To combine the best of both worlds, we propose person in context synthesis, which takes both layout and keypoint as input, and synthesize an image with visually appealing person instances and compatible backgrounds. Here is a comparison of three different problem setups. From left to right, we provide synthesized results of layout to image synthesis, keypoint to image synthesis, and person in context synthesis correspondingly. We aim to yield more realistic person instances and compatible backgrounds under the setting of person in context synthesis, shown in the third column. Next, let's look at our method. Here is an overview. Style embeddings are first sampled using VAE from original image. Then we feed it together with keypoints and layouts into person and context branches respectively. The two branches encode different inputs into the shared compositional structural space, which is the latent feature map. Finally, we synthesize the image from the structural space using several feature modulation layers. The context branch output attention masks for each object and put them into corresponding locations using binary warping. The Prism Branch is another neural network to project multiple keypoints into person structures one by one and put them into locations specified by person bounding boxes. We evaluated different methods on two large-scale datasets, namely CocoStuff and Visual Genome. The results from two state-of-the-art methods together with our method are presented side by side. Person instances generated from our method have clear body parts, guided by input keypoints, and are compatible with surrounding contexts specified by layouts. Our model is able to generate a set of images with diverse appearances given the same input by sampling different style embeddings from the trained VAE. Sampling results are shown from 4th column to 7th column, and we also visualize the compositional structural space for each input as shown in the last column. Thanks for listening. For more details, please scan the QR code on the left to download our paper.